Breaking news coming in. The Enforcement Directorate in its affidavit filed in the court in the Kerala gold smuggling scam has revealed details of Swapna Suresh's confession on her link to the Kerala Chief Minister's former Principal Secretary M. Shivashankar. According to the affidavit, Swapna Suresh has stated that Shivashankar and his team in the Chief Minister's office were fully aware about the gold smuggling through diplomatic channel. This is a big revelation coming in. The ED going on to file its affidavit and revealing some explosive details right there through the affidavit. Gopi Krishnan is now joining us for the very latest details. Gopi, according to this affidavit, Swapna Suresh has stated that Shivashankar and his team in the CMO were fully aware about the gold smuggling through diplomatic channel. How does the CMO's office react to it? What is the stance of the Pinarayi Vijayan government in the light of this development?
Well, Chaiti, this is a very important development as far as the Kerala gold smuggling case and their related cases are concerned. Now, there are two important aspects to this affidavit filed by the Enforcement Directorate in the Principal Sessions Court in Ernakulam. One is a statement of Swapna Suresh in which the ED says that the Swapna Suresh has reportedly said that Shiv Shankar and his team in Chief Minister's office was fully aware about gold smuggling through diplomatic channel, not just gold smuggling, but also the smuggling and import of electronic equipments through diplomatic channel. Now, this is actually the statement given by Swapna Suresh to ED. Now, there are findings of the ED that are even more serious is what we understand at the moment, because according to the ED, Shiv Shankar had personally known other accused in the gold smuggling case, including Sarit, Sandeep, Swapna, and also Khalid. So Khalid was not actually a name which was very popularly heard in this case so far, but Khalid is the head of financial transactions in UAE consulate, and according to ED, he is the person who has received a lion's share of the kickbacks which were received from Unitac and other affiliated agencies to UAE. So Shiv Shankar it's said to have very close links with Khalid also. So certainly things are getting extremely difficult for Shiv Shankar at the moment. Already he has been in ED custody for 13 days. Today his custody has been extended for one more day.
Yes.
So we will certainly have to wait and watch on tomorrow on whether Shiv Shankar...
All right, sorry about that interruption, but a big breaking news coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to it.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.